Yeah, we're on stalemate at the moment.
What do you feel like Alex and that to come back?
Fuck's sake. Hit! I know. Oh dear, dear. Right, we got, yeah, what's up? Well played, mate. Yeah, damn right. If I throw shit, I'm going to reach them. Yeah, and then one to the left just behind them. Right, are they allowed to shoot through there? There's a guy laid down shooting through there.
I don't think they're allowed to.
No.
What, through that open six?
Or he's just...
He's shooting like through a little gap.
How did that hit you? How did that hit you? Someone just... Hit! Who's shooting us behind? Someone's shooting us. Oh, it's Ricochet, your bush. Right, eyes.
First bit of hard wood cover on the right side, on there.
There's a guy trying to run up. Oh, mag out, bastard. You see him trying to run up behind that bin? Got him, well done.
Yeah, you can move where you want. Trying to fucking get some of the heads down.
Played. One down. One left, boys.
Go on, guys, move up, move up, move
Someone come, go. Someone push him.
up. Go on, Just, move up, move up.
We're going to run out of ammo in a minute. Go.
Where are you looking? Where are you looking?
Yeah. Played, hit. Oh, come on, gun. Hit! Fuck it, I'll quit. Seven minutes left and ceasefire. Oh.
Two BBs left. That's good timing.
My battery's died. Mags have died.
Oh man.
I think I forgot to gas this up. Yeah, look. Hey, you bitch. Oh, it's the mag then. It's not my gun inside. Ah. Yeah, it's dead. Hello, old boy. I'm looking forward to my pizza. Did you lads order pizza? Oh.
No. Hey, hello.
Hello, Richard Dayway. Where you been down there?
Yeah.
I couldn't get anywhere. I can't get anywhere here.
Yeah,
We're on ceasefire, aren't we?
It's the right hand side was exactly the same as left.
Was it?
Yeah.
Ceasefire, isn't it? Oh.
Oh, is it? No,
How's it going? Oh. Cool. Ding ding! Yay! It's lunchtime. I'm fucking Hank Marvin. Poor battery. Oh, shit. Heads. 7 minutes left and ceasefire. Oh.
Two BBs left. That's good timing.
My battery's died. Mags have died.
Oh man.
I think I forgot to gas this up. Yeah, look. Hey, you bitch. Oh, it's the mag then. It's not my gun inside. Ah. That's dead.
Gentlemen.
Hello, old boy. I'm looking forward to my pizza. Do you lads order pizza? Oh.
Nah.
Hello, Richard Dayway. Where you been down there?
Yeah.
I couldn't get anywhere. I can't get anywhere here.
Yeah,
We're on ceasefire, aren't we?
The right side was exactly the same as the left.
Was it?
Yeah.
Ceasefire, isn't it? Oh.
Oh, was it? No,
How's it going? Oh. Cool. Ding ding! Yay! Lunchtime. I'm fucking Hank Marvin. Poor battery. Battery. Oh, shit. Heads. Ah, lovely. Who's that girl? TikTok, though?
I'm good, mate.
TikTok? TikTok. TikTok.
We know what you do in your spare time.
TikTok. Yeah. Only one for you. TikTok, half? TikTok. Of course you can. We need another one,
I
sir.
mean, we could grind it up and you could do a line.
Yummy.
I'm getting really close to the end of fingers because I can't get them.
Oh, of course you can. They're mental, right?
Mine's rubbish.
Huey! Right, looking good, boys, looking good.
What? Who, what?
Put your head in Detroit.
Who's that girl? Sha-la-la-la-la.
You. Stuck in
Up your nuts. Oh, you didn't even flinch. Oh, you're hoping?
Nice.
There's so many people there watching. Oh, I do.
Oh, he's got a pickle on the end.
Got a pickle? He's got a pickle. He's got a classic good quality. Oh, you pickle. Is that on the end of your barrel? Well, it fires through. It's a pickle. Oh. Rubbish.
So he's on the team of his own.
You're on your own. Oh dear. Oh my god, this is lush. Oh shit, can we go somewhere rangy? Okay, I'll just use this and you can be my backpack. Oh my god, mate. Can you see through that alright? Yeah. Whoa, dude. It's nearly hitting them barrels. Holy shit.
They're falling halfway, but yeah.
Alright guys, the next game is going to be a domination game based around this box. This box is going to be up in the igloo. There is a button for each team. The objective for you is going to be to push up to the igloo, push your team's button and get the counter to start counting for your team. At the end of the game, the team that has the most time on the clock is going to be the winner. Disappear to your spawns then, please guys.
That one.
The bells don't work in there, do they really?
No.
Where are we going? Oh, it's down there.
No, just follow everyone else.
Yeah, sheep. Oh shit, I haven't done my hop. Damn it. What? Is that you? Yeah, of course it was me. Shit, sorry dude. Oh shit, that actually hit you in the balls. Oh god, don't do as I did.
Right in the plum.
Sorry mate. Yeah, but you shot, was it you?
Me?
Oh, I'm sorry dude.
I love you shoot two
I'll buy you a
people.
beer. Do you want me to rub them? Oh god, I hope I hope oh, you can get revenge. I'm so sorry. Do you forgive me?
I know, that was hilarious.
It doesn't.
I got away with it.
I did. Oh, you bastard. So I got him and got him. Sorry. Oh. Yes.
I didn't fire!
Oh, actually, my bum's got purtier.
I shot Stu with Joe's gun, so Stu pointed down it to shot Elliot. And when it was him pointing at
So
me,
I-
Stu shot Joe.
Right in the bullshit. Did it,
That's me going, I got away with that.
did it actually connect? Or was it was it a light brushing? shit, is my camera on?
Oh, they're quiet, yeah.
Yeah, Clay. So don't anyone follow him again. Look, making us look like cheaters.
You can't shoot my own team.
You little liar. You instigated
You know who's
that.
ready?
Yeah.
You know where the bomb is?
No. In the igloo. In the igloo. In the igloo.
Yellow
No,
team
Mom's
already.
sluggish as fuck.
I think
So which way are we going?
Remember,
Right.
tunnels are not in play. You cannot go
It's in the
round
middle
back.
over there.
Straight up, you can cut across,
that way.
but do not pin that corner. If they're pinning your corner, I'll fuck them off.
Yeah, fuck them off.
Oh, believe me.
Fuck them. Yes. Oh, drum mag. I've seen a patch for you. Drum mag wanker.
need to get mine back up in a minute.
4, 3, 2,
Oh.
1, go, go, go!
Light jog, lads.
Yep, that's enough.
Yeah. That'll do.
See what Ryan does?
Come on then, Mod. Let's see what you got. Oh, son of a bitch. Meow. Come on, 3. Let's go. Clear. Oh, they're all defending the igloo, aren't they? Go this way. Oh my god. This is a left-handed sight. It feels like a left-handed sight. We're allowed to here?
Yeah.
Sweet. Cheers, dude. Oh, you got Valkyrie packs, nice. Got any eyes, Clay?
Yeah, there's a couple over the trees. There's some on the back woodland
Gotcha.
side as well, but
I'll cross
no one's
over.
pushing up that much yet.
So the thing's in that igloo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hit! Who hit? Is that a rebound?
Ricochet for you.
Right, sorry, ricochet!
Yeah.
Showing extra twice.
Yeah, I know.
Left-hand side of the dome.
Yeah. Is he? What, behind the dome?
Behind the dome.
Watch my head.
Side, see,
Yeah.
it's gone there, but it's behind the
Magnet. We got teammates there. Clay, if I get by that thing there, do you reckon I'll get
Someone
hit?
pinning us
Okay.
down at the moment. Give me a second. Guys, you can go up now if you want.
Sweet, bro.
What's your target cross?
Hit! Me done. Oh well, A for effort. No, you're right, mate. Well played. We should get in the bin and then ta-da! Are you not allowed? We're not allowed in the bin then. Oh, you can't get in it and then surprise.
Try.
Yo, dude.
One on the other side of that tower close to us.
Watch the top floor of the bus as well.
Crossing. Got one.
Top bus as well, top floor of the bus. Shooting through the window. Ah, hit. 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 And yeah, I can still feel that. It's a nice hurt. Right, eyes in the bush, yeah?
Oh no, there's one in the corner again.
I got to that pallet. It's the top window. I'm going to take out the top window on the bus.
Oh, hit! Sorry, don't get you on the foot.
Yeah, to us. We're against the wind again.
Yep. Remember your top over a minute, guys.
Yeah, cool. Hey, fuck, that clipped me. God damn it! Oh, I just keep dying. You what? That's not a bad shout, that. Watch that top level on the bus, gents. Yeah. Joe.
We've got someone just front of the corner here. On the left.
Hey, fuck's sake! This is.
Yeah, nice one.
Go on, I got you. Top bus, he's just on the far left. He's right on the front of the bus. Just the bastard he's getting me. You see him? He's near like the silhouette of the weird thing up there. The doll. Weapon that was. That's him. I'm just going to suppress that, Joe, if you want to push. He's poking his head around. I can't, he's that good, sir. Hello, boys. Hello. Shall I smoke out?
Yeah, that might actually be really good.
Where do you think?
Block line of sight from the boss to us. Good throw.
Cheers, bro. I've just hurt my shoulder. Yeah, any...
Still more on the boss.
Oh.
There was one just there.
That didn't really work. Knock out.
Out on top of us.
Did the smoke go behind the building then? Wait, mate. Watch out. Hip! Just skid me. Dead player coming through. Yo! Oh! Thanks, mate. Tic Tacs. Here comes old Harvey. Nice mask, bro. Nice. Hmm? No, we're not allowed to though, which sucks. Yeah, it'd be so much more fun if we were. That starter game, I got 2 kills in there. Any eyes, Joe?
You're good this side. Oh, come on. Oh, one's just popped out.
Hey? I know. Oh shit! Oh, that right in the dick. Ah, right, that was right in the end of the dick. Literally.
Can I interest you in a cricket box?
Yeah. Oh, he shot me on the end of the dick.
Really?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a welt there now. Oh. Right.
It's further than my M4. You go.
We're gonna keep going, yeah? Joe, we're gonna push up. Ah! We had a plan.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Stuart,
Stu Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you. Instagram on Linkstew. Linkste.
Right.
And you'll be in my YouTube vid. That's game, isn't it?
Did we get to the bottom or not?
No. I don't think we got anywhere near it. Now what? I think we're going this way. Lads. Here is half.
4, 3, 2, 1, leg it!
Woohoo! Ooh.